I've got a box. This is my box, not your box, but my box. And in my box, it's quite obvious. I've got an OLED display. Is it OLED? I've got an OLED display. Wow, these are nice. Yes. What's that? 1.54, 240 by 240 display. I've got this. I've got a speaker that speaks. And we've got this. Oh, hang on. Also, I've got a GPS antenna and omnidirectional. What's that? That's for Wi-Fi, isn't it? It must be. And then we've got this. How do they get these in this package? So, I need my other glasses for this, bloody hell. ESP32 L76K, don't even know what the hell that is. Oh, is that, what's that? I don't know what that is. And I don't know what the rest of the things do. This fits. I don't know. What's that for? It says LCD on it. Anyway, the GPS plugs into it. That'll plug into another one. Oh, it says GPS there, and it says long range. So that goes in there. GPS goes into that one. Speaker goes into the plug marked speaker, which ain't that one. Oh, it's that one there. Is it? I don't know. Oh, it says S plus S minus, so it probably is. But that looks a very nice little package. What's that for? Why is that J1? What's that for then? It's quite good actually. It's an ESP32-S3. Yes, it is ESP32. Realise AI chat and intercom functions. Yes. That'll be interesting. Multi-satellite high precision positioning module compatible with Arduino. Is that supposed to be Arduino or Arduino? So I'm wondering what I can actually do with it. I'm going to dive into this. I'm going to plug it all in. I'm going to see what we get out of it. There might be a demo thing on there, I don't know. See if we can do some long range TXRX. I built one up. You do need to solder the display on, and it plugs in there, so I hope this works. Hang on, let's plug this thing in. It comes on, but it's upside down. Well, it's working. Hang on. Very important. Oh, satisfying. I'll show you the boot sequence, not that you're interested. This is the it's serious. Focus. There you go. This is going through its self-test. This is the demo that's actually running on it, so it gives you all the details there. I should be able to get a GPS lock in here, although we've got a tin roof, but it doesn't make a noise, don't worry. If you can hear something in the background, it's because there's a fan on, because it's Thailand, and Thailand gets very hot. So, we've got the IMU, or the accelerator or alarmometer thing, real-time clock, which, is that set? No, it isn't. Temperature. So this is the RX test. Around 915 meg. I didn't even know what frequency it was, to be honest. So this is the receive test. Now the good thing about this is, hang on. You see, I've got one here. I don't mean one ear. I mean one here. They've sent two. I think it was by mistake. So we've got a receive there, and what I'm going to do is build this one up, and I'm going to put a transmitter on it. I've got two of them. And now I want to test it. I have got plans for this, but I'm not going to expose them yet. But anyway, I'm going to build this up and I'm going to see what happens.